Hey guys, hope everybody's doing great this morning. We are back. I'm going to take and use my scramble the way that I intending to and basically throw it in a skillet. We're going to take and toss the eggs in. I'm going to toss in a few jalapenos extra, just fresh ones to add some of that flavor in there and to make it pretty and green. Let me get the eggs in and we'll get it to stirring. Alright guys, got the eggs in. We're going to break these up a little bit. Get them scrambling in there. Get it all mixed up good. This is that old National that kind of restored and then traded it off to a buddy of mine and got it back. He'd used it some, so I just cleaned it up and seasoned it a few times. It's a great old skillet. The funny thing about it is, if you notice in the thumbnail, they actually misspelled National on it. So, and it's a known error, so it's just kind of funny. Alright. Trying to keep this in focus for you. Well guys, this is the gist of it. This is making this scramble. Got everything stirred in. Eggs are just about there. Cut off the heat. And there we go, guys. That is the breakfast scramble. We added some extra jalapenos to it. And it looks good. And it's of course going to taste good. So hope everybody has a great Sunday.